Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I've got a Samsung J5 with broken screen. There is a little crack somewhere here. It's really hard to visible, probably not visible for you, but definitely there is a crack. Not a glass crack, but it's a LCD crack. And all I need to do is first hit the screen on the top, and once it's heated up and warm, I can slightly take it off the screen. It should be easy to replace. You need to use this ice tool. Okay, let's heat it up now. Okay, once it's heated up, you use the ice tool in some tools or whatever it's called, or something like this. Use from this side, and just going to run the side by side. Be careful, here's a flex connection. As you can see, once going from all sides down, you will be moving the screen like this. You can open it, and for me it separates the LCD from the glass. Now I need to go underneath the LCD and lift it up as well. It's not hard. Once it's done, just go underneath and take it off. Yeah. And once you take it off, you can see there is a LCD connection. You can just unplug, and that's it. Now you can just plug in the new screen. I'm not sure with this on or off, because I'm not sure if it's on the new screen. I'll double check that. Okay, we have a new screen here, and I will be just plugging in first and test it if it's work. Let me just plug in. And all looks good. Now I will just take all of the tape out and just stick the screen back. Okay. Now we got to plug in the LCD. Also the cover is there. There is a one arrow on here, which just put the arrow to arrow. Double side tape on each side, and just slowly stick the screen back. Yeah, and now is all done. Click like, subscribe.